In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the hottest cryptocurrencies using AI. We're going to be doing this with CoinGPT, which is an AI crypto trading bot on Telegram. You may already have the bot. If you don't, link in the video description below, you can follow along. This is a free to use bot. Let me show you how to use it. So to start, we're simply going to press analyze. And what the bot's doing is using real-time data and AI to deliver initially, let's say, the default market screen. So it's showing you everything going on in crypto right now. But of course, there's much more we can do. And if you've seen my other videos, you will know that you can analyze coins with AI to get a stop loss and take profit much more. Part of this video series. So to find the hottest coins using AI, we're going to click trending. This is one way we can do it. And not only does it show us in the last 24 hours the trending coins, and it does use AI to do this because it's not just doing getting the trending coins based on price, but it's on many different factors like social sentiment, trading volume, and about 15 points that it uses to put into the AI engine to deliver the trending coins. So a lot of these are going to be coins that haven't pumped yet, but the popularity is increasing across exchanges, across social medias, many different things as well. We can't divulge it all. But this is the 24. You can look at what's trending on the 1 hour. You can see what's trending on the 6 hour and on the 7-day chart. So that's one way of finding the hottest trending coins using AI. You can also click on categories to see memes, AI, DeFi, gaming, NFT, RWA, and so on. So for example, if we clicked on memes, it's going to show you the most popular 20 meme coins in the last 24 hours. But again, you can change the 1 hour, 7-day time frame. And the coolest thing about it is everything is clickable, as I've explained in other parts of this series. So for example, if I click on SPX, that's SPX 6900, one of the most popular meme coins at the moment, it will actually give you an AI bias, whether long, short, or neutral. And in this case, on the 1 hour time frame, it's given us a long trade. More about that in my video on how to analyze coins with AI, but you get the picture, guys. So you can analyze coins, find the hottest AI coins on the market right now using this free Telegram bot. Link is in the description down below, and feel free to watch any of the other videos as part of this series of CoinGPT's hottest features. Thanks for watching. Make sure you have the bell turned on and hit the like button. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.